Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I would like to show you the tutorial how to use widget on your iOS or iPhone. So the device that I use today is iPhone XR, and the way you add the widget on your screen, on your home screen, is just go by focus on your home screen here, and after that you just need to click this particular site and hold it until several options pop up. Click and hold, and then there will be a pop-up. When the all of the application is checking, you need to take a look on this upper side here. There will be a plus button. Just need to click it to access the widgets. And now we already have an access to widget, and you just choose what widgets that you want to add to. For example, you want to add a clock. To have an access seeing the clock on your screen, you just need to click it, and you just need to find out which clock that you want to add to right there. If you already find it, just go click add widgets, and those widgets will be pop up and ready to use on your home screen. When you satisfied with all of the position, just click done. So that's it. That's the way how to use widget on your phone. You can explore more about the widget that you want to add to. So if you find that this tutorial is useful for you, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.